Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for PS5 Error Code WS-118714-2. The error reads, "Can't download your saved data." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI-generated. As per our research, the error comes when players try to play their games or use applications, or if the players try to sync with the cloud storage. According to our research, this is mainly a server-related issue. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the network. To do this, shut down your PS5 and unplug your router from the power outlet. Then wait for a few minutes and restart both. After that, check if you need to update the game, then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then the servers may be unstable. You can also refer to your PlayStation service status by visiting status.playstation.com and checking the PSN service status. In case servers are down, then you should wait for some time and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.